How to add mixed numbers and fractions. First, you need to see if the denominator in the fraction and the mixed number are the same. If they are, great. If not, you will have to find the common denominator, the same way that you would find the common denominator if it wasn't a mixed number. The whole won't change. Once both denominators are the same, you will need to add the fractions, ignoring the whole for now. In this case, 4/5 add 1/5, making 5/5. Then you can add the wholes. As there is only one whole here, the answer will be simply 1. Put both answers together, making 1 whole and 5/5. Unfortunately, this won't get you the answer, as you aren't allowed to have an improper fraction and the mixed number together. You have to have one or the other. So option A, converting my answer into a mixed number, which means I need to make sure my fraction part of my answer has a numerator that is smaller than its denominator. Hopefully you should know that 5/5 is the same as 1 whole, so I can convert my 5/5 into a whole and add that to the whole that I already have, making 2. The answer, as you can see, is 2. I no longer have any fractions, as all my parts were converted into the whole. Option B is converting my answer into an improper fraction. For this, I simply multiply the whole I have by my denominator and add that to my numerator. So my whole is 1, multiplied by my denominator, which is 5, makes 5. Add that to my numerator, totals 10. Give me an answer of 10/5, which is equal to 2 wholes.